today. We have Senchu and Rachel. To our left-hand side, we are passing by our horticulture center. This is where all of the zoo's plants and floral displays are grown. We do grow some of the rarest plants here at the Toronto Zoo, making our plants collection one of the finest in North America. On your right-hand side, you guys may see or hear some Przewalski horses. These are all of our male Przewalski horses. We will have a very closer look at the females in just a moment. We do separate our males from our females because that's how they naturally separate themselves in the wild. We are now entering Eurasia. This part of the zoo is undergoing a lot of changes. So if you're walking, you cannot go through this area, but since we are on the Zoomobile, we can go through here. The first animal that we're going to see in Eurasia are the Barbary apes. They're coming up on your right-hand side. If they aren't out and about, look around big rocks or around big tree trunks. They do tend to hide out there. Also, don't be fooled by their name. Barbary apes are not actually apes, they're monkeys. When they were first discovered, they could not find a tail classifying them as an ape, but they have found a tail classifying them as monkeys. To your right, I don't know if you guys can see, but one of our Barbary apes is poking his head out just right by here, by this tree here. I believe that is Blue. I saw him limping. He only has one leg. He lost his left leg to cancer, but don't worry guys, he is all better now, and he can keep up with all the rest of the Barbary apes. And to your left-hand side, we have our does. We have two female does from the zoo. Their names are Patty and Martha. I believe one of them will be in this square house right here. Patty does love to sleep inside that square house. They do look like Canadian foxes, but they are in fact wolves. And they do look very cute and cuddly, just like their driver Nolan, but they are extremely vicious and they can make bears and lions a big of their dinner. We're now pulling up to our Eurasia drive-thru. At this time, the animals are not in fences, and it is dinner time, so I do ask for everyone to keep all body parts inside the Zoomobile.
We put the girls on the outside. Hey, he's working hands. We gotta feed this family. They got snakes too. Snakes? Oh yeah. They call them here the ankle biters. Watch your ankle. Yeah. Now we did. A big pile of food there. Oh. Yeah, horses.
Oh, come on.
The first animal that we're going to see in our Eurasia drive-thru are our Przewalski horses. They are to your left-hand side here. At one point in time, there was only 17 of these horses in the entire world, and they only existed in zoos. But after successful captive breeding, we've turned this 17 into thousands. Then we do have a small reserve for them out in the Gobi Desert. The Przewalski horse has never been tamed for riding, making it the only wild horse. And the next animal that we're going to see in our Eurasia drive-thru are our yaks. We have 4 female yaks at the zoo. We also have 1 male yak who is all the way from Quebec. His name is Saint-Hubert. And we have 1 baby yak. Her name is Amy. If you guys look to your left, you guys can see baby Amy from here. She's probably the cutest animal here at the zoo. Almost as cute as your driver Nolan. Yaks are just like yours and mine, it never stops growing, but they're lucky to be here at the zoo. So we do give them special spa days and making up their haircut. In the wild, when the hair never stops growing, it does curl on the bottom of their hooves, and it makes it very easy for them to climb up very steep mountains. An interesting fact about the yak is that a female yak's milk is the color pink. Our driver Nolan thought it was going to